Welcome back. In this video we will discuss air sampling. If you haven't already, it might be an idea to watch the previous video first on sampling in general rather than coming in directly on this one. So, what is air sampling? Air sampling is a method of capturing particles from the air into a trap of some kind. The trap can be an agar plate or a filter cartridge. The volume of air sampled will be determined by the flow rate set on the pump and how long the pump is allowed to run. Recording the volume of the air is very important when analysing the data. We are often asked if we compare indoor air samples with the outdoor air. This can be done, but the outdoor air conditions vary greatly during any one day and depend on so many other factors such as wind direction, weather and season that it is rarely useful comparison. In fact, some of the methodologies we use deliberately avoid using outdoor air as a comparison. Air sampling addresses the major concern relating to mould. It's all about the air we breathe. Some air sampling techniques will only attempt to measure viable spores. Viable spores are those spores with the potential to germinate and grow. This method is based on culturing the spores to see how many colony forming units there are in the air. However, if you have watched the videos from our mould playlist, you may recall that all the fungal debris from a mould colony has the potential for harm to humans, including the non-viable spores as well as hyphal fragments, enzymes, ergesterols and mycotoxins. So air sampling methods that enable us to measure the total fungal load in the air may be the most useful. Air sampling methods can be an effective way of building a picture of the levels of mould contamination in a building, especially if mould growth is suspected but not visible. In our next video, we will discuss ERMI sampling protocols. Thank you for watching.